jets that when you walk in the door, there's parts that are right there on the side. It says Chematics on it. It's like, oh, we made that.
As a division of Kaman Corporation, Chematics is located in Bloomfield, Connecticut, and manufactures products that can be found on land, in the air, and even at sea.
We have parts all over the place. We're even getting into NASCAR.
As applications engineers, Michael Petros and Matt Kovjak see projects from start to finish as they work with customers to solve their problems.
They come to us with an application, requirements, loads, speeds, things that they need a bearing to fit in their system.
You see it breaking through this one, you don't see any of it.
We have to design the bearing, we estimate the bearing, we perform qualification of that bearing. We work with the customer to fit a solution to their design.
They come to us and say, hey, we have this problem. What can you give us that fits it? I've worked with several companies, primarily lately Boeing, to where I've been providing designs and parts for them, and I've traveled out there to Seattle several times to work with them. I've gone through their manufacturing plant where they assemble all of the airliners. I've walked up to a wing for a 747, and they're like, "Yo, there's the part that you guys build." A lot of professions you don't necessarily have that connection, and for us, we get to kind of follow it from our design process through the manufacturing, and then to actually go out and see the end result is very rewarding. When I was younger, I was always very interested in airplanes. All my toys were planes.
When I was growing up, it was all about baseball. I was going to be a baseball player. But when I didn't really start thinking about a career until high school.
I happened to be fairly proficient in math and science, and I found that interesting, so it was just kind of a natural progression that I ended up in some kind of engineering or manufacturing field.
Math became one of my strengths, and engineering became an option.
But the manufacturing process at Chematics requires more than just a background in math.
There's a lot of computer interaction with the machines, that they're all electronically controlled now. You've got to know program, you've got to understand the blueprints, you got to be able to read that, the geometric tolerancing.
It's the right time and place to join this rewarding industry.
Connecticut and all of New England, the large number of companies that deal with manufacturing between UTC and Command and Chematics, that there's a lot of opportunity in this area to have a job in the engineering or manufacturing field, whether it's in the design portion or in manufacturing.
My favorite part of working here is solving problems that the customer comes to us with. If they're having a design issue, it's really the best, most rewarding thing to come up with something that's never been seen before. Something that we've never done before. It's a new design, maybe it's something we can go forward with and offer in other applications.
Once they get that, then there's a washer with a seal on it.
I feel pretty great about what I'm doing. I'm lucky to be at a company where I like the people I work with, and I'm interested in what I'm doing. At the end of the day, I think I would say I'm very happy with getting into the field I am with engineering and manufacturing.